Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can order layers on CapCut PC. So if you don't have free layers turned on, when you put, like, for instance, hold on, you want like this to be on top. It's not going to be on top of the video. It's still going to stay at the bottom because you don't have free layers turned on, and you'll have to order layers here, and it's just going to be a whole ordeal. So what will make editing easier is for you to just turn on free layers. So don't click on anything, go to modify and enable free layer and just press save, and that's where you can basically turn on free layer. You can also go to menu, settings, go to edit and enable free layer. This will enable it for all of your projects, and I think it's easier that way, so just turn that on and press save. But you can turn it off if you've already turned it on like a project that you've worked on. So if you still want to order layers, which I think you should just turn that off, honestly, you can turn it off by going back to that menu settings here and turning off free layer. But I like to have that on just to make editing easier. You can even like put in like effects under like under videos. So like if you want to put it down here, you can. But that's because I have free layers turned on, so enable that. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!